You are about to see a Fix It Friday video where an person with very little technical skill or knowledge would attempt to fix something. This is not a how-to video and is likely to be factually incorrect and at times possibly dangerous. Please don't copy Kip and see this video for limited entertainment purposes only. Roll titles!
Hello and welcome to this Fix It Friday. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at a very old retro handheld game. Now you might have seen me do a pocket scramble before, which we actually managed to get fixed with the help from the comment section. I'll stick a link to that video up there. But this game is slightly different and I've got literally no idea what's wrong with it. Here it is, I haven't even opened it yet, so we're learning about this together. I can't even remember what it's called. I mean, obviously you will, because you know the title of the video. Also, little housekeeping note, my fan is on because it's a really hot day today, so hopefully it won't interfere too much, but yeah, if it does, I'm sorry, I'm hot. Anyway, should we get this little parcel open? I actually bought this back in May, and yeah, it's just kind of sat waiting for me to look at it, basically. There we go, it's a Grandstand Invader from space. I remember now, it's sort of like a knockoff Space Invader game. Fire button, that feels good. Left and right controls, feels good. Power button, feels good. Level, start. Okay, so we're going to need some AA batteries for it. It doesn't come with the battery cover. It does come with the battery cover. That's in the packaging. There we go. What's it got? Yes, it's got a DC input there. Uses 4 penlight batteries. Alkaline type recommended for mains operation. Use a Grandstand Universal Mains Adapter. Negative polarity. Yeah, I mean, it's not actually in that bad condition. It looks alright, really. But it was sold as non-working. It wasn't an untested thing. It was sold as non-working. This little guy here feels a bit loose. I hope that doesn't mean someone's been in here before. We shall see. It does feel like this screw's a little loose, which suggests to me it might have had a little fiddle. I like that. Right, I mean, this could be the shortest Fix It Friday ever. But it's not. Yeah, that power switch doesn't feel great. Excellent. Game on. Actually, look, I'm wearing a Captain Bodge t-shirt from StezStixFix's merch store. Go and check out his merch store. So it's underneath all his videos. I mean, you could check out my merch as well. Just go to merch.kiphakes.tv. Actually, before I crack this open, can I just please ask you to give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps grow the channel. And actually, I'll tell you what, while I'm dismantling it, why don't I give a shout out to those awesome people who've joined the channel.
First up, we've got those Kip fans who are Matt Lovey's, JRC Electrical, For the Burbs and Mark C. Then we've got our wonderful early birds who are Roberta Gerritsdom, Dean Ball, Sean at Cablesmith Electrical, Wayne's Retro World, Tim Salt and Sorceress Stan. Then we've got our lovely, wonderful Kip lovers who are Richard R. Blaster, Bella Webster, Lauren and StezStixFix. And then here she is, it's our Kip Nutter, the wonderful Becky Boobar. Thank you so much, Becky, for all your support.
If you want to help out the channel, then please do consider joining. It costs from 99p, and the link is down there in the description, or you can hit the join button down there. Thank you. Anyway, right, let's get inside this. Actually, one of the screws here was very loose, so I've got a feeling this has been interfered with. This doesn't feel very consensual. Oh, button's falling out, button's falling out. Feels like there's more screws, but there are no more screws. Hang on. Right, I see it. Oh, it's really hard to see on camera, but there's sticky pads stuck down. There we go. There we go. Yeah, this has definitely been apart before, which doesn't bode well. But look at that. That's so cool. So this is, I think this is sort of like a sealed tube. I mean, if this is gone, it's game over. I mean, the power button is as simple as you can get, really. Just slides across. It's got two contacts there. I mean, there's not actually all that much to this at all, which is in some ways a blessing, in other ways a curse. I mean, on the surface, there doesn't look anything dramatically wrong with it. There's no capacitors that are burst or anything like that. Right, I think what I'm going to do is start with the basics and put some power into it and maybe bridge the on and off switch and then just see what we've got, really. I do worry about this black staining here. I don't know if that means it's toast or that bit just gets very hot within normal use. We've got some sort of CPU under here as well. Right, so it takes 4 batteries, 1.5 volts each, 3 volts, 6 volts. I can set the bench to just 6 volts. It's working. Why is it working? That is daft. Why is it working? Is it this jack? Because I've seen Vince have problems with like these jack connectors before and them not working and stopping the voltage getting through. Is that it? I think that's it. It's this jack. Holy cow, I think I can fix something. It's not going to be that easy, is it? Right, okay, so I'm going to try and just disconnect the jack from this positive side and just solder directly onto the terminal there. Because ultimately, I'm not going to be using the jack at all, ever. It just seems a pointless waste of time. Surely it's not going to be that simple. Surely not. Right, let's give this a go. This is the off position. Oh my God, it's working. I can't get over that. Yeah, it looks very flickery on the camera, but it's not at all. It looks banging. Yeah, I don't quite know what's gone wrong with that jack to stop it working. So you've got the negative wires going to the center terminal, and then the positive wires are on the outer terminal. Right, I'm just going to snip the end off there so it doesn't short or anything. I'm not going to ever use this on DC, but I've actually repaired something. I'm absolutely shocked. I mean, probably the world's easiest repair, but hey, you know, little wins and all that. I am proper chuffed. Maybe it's the power of Captain Bodge. Maybe StezStixFix is inside of me. Not like that. I'm genuinely blown away. This is madness. This doesn't happen to me. Right. Let's give it another go. So we could change the level, which I guess is the difficulty, yeah. I think we'll just go for level 1. And as I say, although this is flickering on the screen, it is absolutely fine. Very loud. Stupid invader from space. That is absolute insanity. That's made me so happy. Because I just, literally, I've not done any research. I've not looked at how to dismantle one of these. I just thought I'd wing it, and this time it's paid off. Wow. Awesome. Brilliant. Perfect. Well, there we go. A bit of retro gaming history that's been saved. I like this invader from space. Like, there's only one of them. I do still have a fair amount of stuff in the fixing pile. I've got the RGB mod on the Atari 2600 to do. I've got a Game Gear. I've got 2 Game Gears to repair. So yeah, let me know in the comments which one you'd like me to see. I think though I might be going for the Atari 2600 first, just because I want to get it done. And I've been putting it off slightly because it is a very big job to do. This has spurred me on no end. I'm really happy that we've got some very noisy invader from space action. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but for now, it's game over.